Hello beautiful people from around the world, what is up with you guys? So welcome to our another video. Today we are going forest again, but there's a twist. I will tell you later, okay? There comes my partners.
Two partners.
Hurry up, boy.
Hello, welcome to our channel.
We are going towards a new place today. Look at the day today. It's sunny, little bit hot. She's buying something here, and then we will go. So my dear friends, today we are going forest, mainly for cutting grass, and with that I'm looking for a fishing rod. I hope you know, fishing rod of bamboo, okay, small bamboo. The bamboos which are smaller in size is good for fishing rods, so today I'm looking for that. I hope I will get that. Let's see. Now if you know what is this, I don't know what is that called. This is not orange, this is sour in taste. She likes that, so she has kept it. She will eat in jungle. And we have little more miles to go. Where is that bird singing? This sounds so beautiful. Let's go, Maggie boy. You see a lot of pipes here, right guys? So let me tell you something about these pipes. These are actually for drinking water. A lot of people used to say that there are plenty of water available in hills, but that is not the reality, guys. Just look at the collection of pipes here. There are more. This is the reality. We have to, search for drinking water from up above the hills where the fresh water is available. From there we have to make this kind of long route for the pipes and bring water to home. That is the reality of these pipes. Whoa, look at this, guys. This is so stunning. The rock may have fallen down, but this tree and its root has kept it so tight that it's not falling. This is marvelous. This is nature. Let's go now. Today is a bit hotter day. That's why we are feeling so hot, and we are taking a little rest here. We have to go a little more ahead in search of that small bamboo that's not still found, so we have to go further up. Let's see if we can find there. Getting more hot. What we can do, just take a rest, feel this cool wind, enjoy this nature, and yeah, walk it off. So that's it for friends today. See here, this is our grass bundle. It is ready, and the twisted thing, this is my natural fishing rod. I just collected it from the forest. Now we have to go from here. Our home is still far away from here, so we have to walk slowly. Alright, I'll catch you later. It's too heavy. Wait a minute, I'm here to help you. Do not worry. Alright? Today the bundle of grass is too heavy, guys. But she's willing to carry, so I let her carry. Let's go from here.